Why does people like get hypothermia? Why does that usually go into some pneumonia? Or if they're really cold?
It's super shallow breathing. Yeah, it's super shallow breathing is what causes that. Same reason why when you, in the old days when you broke your ribs, they would wrap them. You would get a big wrap around, and they don't do that anymore because it caused people to breathe shallowly, and then they all got pneumonia after they broke their ribs. Is that if you don't breathe deep enough, you're not pushing enough out.
Someone who maybe has a spasm or paralyzed diaphragm?
That would do it. Yep, that could cause it too. Yep, just super shallow breathing. Like people are gonna, your patients that don't use, like they're super shallow breathers and nothing. You say take a deep breath in, and they go, and you have people do that. Like I'll say take a deep breath in, and they go, and that's it. That's as far as it goes. Breathe out. Like that's all they got, right? That they're gonna be more susceptible to pneumonia.